today's science lesson, we'll be exploring the formation of new substances. So you probably want to go ahead and enlarge the slideshow. You're going to be working on each slide. Just a reminder, we should never try a science experiment without adult supervision or permission. So these things are stuff that you could do at home, possibly, but make sure that you have your parents' permission and supervision as you do them. On the second slide, you're going to respond to the question by putting check marks into the white boxes of what lab safety rules you should keep in mind when working with chemical substances in an experiment. On slide 3, you're going to observe the GIF images. The first one is burning, and then you're going to respond yes or no in each of the boxes. So when something is burning, do you see a color change? Do you see a temperature change? Is a gas produced? Or is this thing called a precipitate formed? And then finally, what do you think? Physical or chemical change? What is occurring when something is burning? Notice that there is a timer up in the corner. If we were doing this in a regular year, we would be moving station to station with actual objects. And we would be spending about 5 minutes at each station. So each slide today, I would like for you to spend about 6 minutes finishing each of the slides. These would be stations in our normal classroom or lab setting. This time we're just going to be using a timer to move through. On the rest of the slides, there is one experiment for you to watch where some substances are being combined. You are to make an observation of what you see happening before. For example, I might say that when I'm watching the video, when I click it, before I can see that I have some clear vinegar and I have some powdery baking soda. Okay, so I describe the physical properties. And then when they are added together, as I watch the video, so I see this is going to be the during part for my observations. So I see that they're combined. So I'm going to stop it right there. And so I saw that there was instantly foaming and bubbling occurring. It's rising out of the beaker. And just a lot of bubbles. And then after, so once the experiment is completed, so I'm going to move forward. You will want to watch the entire video, but after they have been combined, I can see that the bubbling kind of dies down a little bit in the beaker, and the bubbles are getting less and less. And now I can see that I have left a cloudy liquid substance is left after the vinegar and baking soda are combined. Okay, so each slide I'm going to do just that. I want to make sure and start my timer so that I'm not spending too long at each of the stations. This is about a 50-minute assignment. It should not take you any longer than that. As a matter of fact, it may not take you that long to even complete the assignment today. Okay, so go through the remaining slides. Make sure you start the timer. You're going to watch the chemicals being combined and give a before, a during, and an after observation for each of the slides.